Good afternoon, everyone. Adam Holder here again from Nedlaw Living Walls, and welcome to another edition of Friday FAQ here at Nedlaw. Sorry we missed you last week, but we're back and raring to go again. So one of our specialties around here, another one, is the design and installation and maintenance of living roof systems. And we've had a fair number of questions in the last month or so about living roofs. So I thought I'd answer a question today about that. So this week's question comes from Joseph in Windsor, who has a home and has asked, I'm interested in installing a living roof, and can I install a living roof myself? And the answer is not so much whether you can install your living roof, but should you? There's a lot that goes into putting in a living roof, and it's very important to have your roof structure evaluated by a professional to see if it can support that roof. And when it comes to the installation, it's very important to make sure that you have contracted the services of an established and experienced roofer who has experience in installing these things, because that can affect the warranty, and you can actually get a better warranty when you install a living roof through a certified, experienced roofing contractor. So if you're considering a green roof system for your residence or any building for that matter, it's important to seek out the services of an established roofing contractor who has extensive experience in the installation and maintenance of green roof systems. It's going to save you a fortune down the road and a lot of headaches. I want to thank you for taking the time to spend with us here this afternoon. My name is Adam Holder, and again from Nedlaw Living Walls, have a good weekend.